Hello, welcome. Global trade champions. Let's grow together. Imagine being in charge of a massive factory just as the world shuts down. No travel, no business meetings, and no way to keep production going. Unless you find a way to defy the odds. This is the incredible story of how one man's bold move during the pandemic saved a company and turned it into a global powerhouse. Today, we're diving into how Kang and Kim Cutlery not only survived, but thrived when the world seemed to come to a halt. This story is a fictional story created by reconstructing recent actual facts. In January 2020, Kang joined Kim Cutlery, one of Vietnam's leading cutlery manufacturers, as the head of the business division. As a key executive overseeing both production and sales, Kang's role came with immense responsibility. His expertise in developing new markets and securing international clients had been instrumental throughout his career. However, shortly after his transfer, the world was thrown into the chaos of the COVID-19 pandemic. Business trips, crucial for his work, came to an abrupt halt. And on top of that, even Vietnam, which had initially controlled the outbreak, saw a sharp rise in cases due to the spread of new variants by the spring of 2021. Kim, like many other companies, faced a difficult decision. Either shut down operations in compliance with government policies until conditions improved, or devise an extraordinary solution to keep the business afloat. In June of that year, the situation reached a critical point. Either the factory would close, or accommodations for workforce had to be arranged on-site indefinitely to protect the factory and its workers from external contagious diseases. The latter was called 3 on-site model as a way to comply with the Vietnamese government's safety measures. A core team of 250 elite employees, those who were both willing and able to participate, was selected, including Kang and the company's CEO, to live and work inside the factory with no commutes and no return home for an indefinite period. It was a gamble, but it was the only way to meet the high expectations of the company's European buyers for on-time, high-quality deliveries. Above all else, this strategy was crucial for keeping the factory operational while safeguarding employees from the spread of the virus. While many other factories opted to shut down due to the pandemic, Kim's unwavering commitment to its customers became a remarkable sight in the industry. Their decision not only impressed their existing buyers, but also attracted attention from other international clients. For 6 grueling months, from June to November, 250 dedicated employees lived within the factory walls, working tirelessly to safeguard the company's future. Their extraordinary sacrifice paid off. By November, they returned to their families, not only proud of their achievements, but also deeply bonded by the challenges they had overcome together. Moreover, those who participated in the 3 on-site model earned significantly higher wages during this period, a reward for their commitment. In contrast, workers at other companies faced prolonged factory closures, subsisting on minimal government support. The choice to stay and work not only secured their livelihood, but also strengthened their resolve in the face of adversity. In 2022, Kang, looking ahead, saw an even bigger opportunity. Armed with his laptop and relentless drive, he began visiting the headquarters of major international buyers in the US. His goal, to conquer the US market, the largest in the world, and a new frontier for Kim. But why the US, and why now? Kang's timing was impeccable. During the pandemic, China's supply chain had suffered significant disruptions, leaving American buyers struggling to maintain inventory. Additionally, the ongoing US-China trade conflict since the Trump administration had opened the door for alternative suppliers, particularly from Vietnam. Kim's stellar reputation, solidified during the pandemic, gave Kang the leverage he needed. The company's ability to deliver, even in the direst circumstances, had become legendary. By 2023, Bao Kim had risen to become one of the largest exporters of cutlery to the U.S. market. Its story of resilience and innovation not only secured its place in the global market, but set the stage for continued growth in the years to come. The story of Kang and Bao Kim Cutlery is a powerful reminder that in the face of crisis, bold decisions and unwavering dedication can turn challenges into opportunities. When others chose to shut down, they chose to push forward, and that determination made them a global leader. It's not just about surviving, it's about innovating, leading, and staying true to your commitment to your customers and your team. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope today's story has inspired you on your own path to business success. I'm On Tact Mind, bringing you valuable insights on international trade. You've been watching Trade Wins Today, your go-to channel for all things related to global business. And I look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you in the future.